Today's video is all about the Amazon list B24 hair oil. So this is a hair leave-on mask, and you can use it to help with damaged hair. So you can put it in your hair overnight and wash it out, or you could put it in midday. But this is a high quality mask that is gonna go into the strands of your hair and really repair it, especially if you've dyed your hair, maybe cut it, you have some dead ends. This is a great quality mask, and you can leave it in your hair as well. I'm all about taking care of your hair, so mine is oily. I have to wash it, so I'm gonna put this in and show you guys how you use it. So it comes out like this. It's a kind of like clear consistency, so I would put this in kind of ends of my hair as well as my roots of my hair, and then I would even just put my hair in like a bun and kind of leave this in for a couple of hours before I wash my hair. This is a great repairing mask. It's cruelty-free, and it's made in Brazil, has a bunch of great ingredients in it, and this is really going to just go into the deep